Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I am here to bring you a fun box unboxing, and I love fun boxes. You know what? They always have something good in them in the end. Sometimes it's a crazy thing. I mean, there's never ever been two fun boxes that I've gotten that were alike. So it's kind of fun to unbox them for that reason. But before I get to the fun box, I wanted to open this. Pat Garza was one of the first people that I met on YouTube, and we became friends really fast. And I absolutely love Pat. We talk all the time. We've gotten together twice now in person, and she's just wonderful. So she sent me this. She said it's nothing big. I just wanted to send it to you. And so my friend mail. I love getting mail. Even if someone sent me a feather, I would love it because I love getting mail. It's just so fun. All right, I'm gonna open it in a place where I'm not gonna tear anything. All right, here we go. What is it? What is it from Pat? She's so good to me. Friend mail. Woo woo. She even wrote friend mail on it. I love it. I love it. She has it wrapped up so nicely. Oops. What is it? Ooh. Something in a really cool looking blue color. Oh. I love, I got the camera a little bit. Let's try this a little bit. Sorry about that. All right. Yay. How do I open this? Look at this color. Oh, it's a great, well, it's kind of like the one I have on, just a little darker. I can't wait to see what it is. Oh my gosh. What in the heck? Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this dress. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's kind of like a satiny, I don't know if it's silk, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I cannot wait. Look at that. She sent me a dress. Pat. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then look at this that goes with it. And she tried telling me it was nothing. Oh, don't get your hopes up. It's just, you know, I'm like, yeah, I knew it would be nice because she has amazing taste. Look at this beautiful bracelet that goes with it. Okay, I'm wearing this today. I love it. I love it. And the dress is so gorgeous. Look at this. Vibrant blue. Thank you so much, Pat. You are amazing, seriously, and you have amazing taste. I love it so much. So hopefully I'll wear it for my next video. And yes, I'll have Pat, her information linked in my description of this video. And please go look at her channel and subscribe. She opens great boxes. She's also a reseller like me and does YouTube like me. So, and she's great. You'll love her. All right, you ready? Here's the fun box. It's not real heavy. Something's shaking around in there. We didn't get a crushed box this time, which is great. I like not getting crushed boxes. Believe it or not, you wouldn't believe how many of them I get that I'm like, uh-oh, it's crushed. All right, here is first look, and then this is making sure we got the right thing here. Fun box, 10 items. All right, fun boxes are items that people sent into ThredUp, but either ThredUp did not sell them or could not sell them because it's not an item they sell. A lot of times you'll get socks, bras. By the way, brand new bras and socks. Almost everything you get in a fun box is a new item. Sometimes you get a book and some necklace. I mean, hair stuff. I mean, you never know. That's what's so fun about them. That is actually the best part. Okay, we're gonna take. Oh, I got some of these, which I will definitely be using. And here is a first look. Wow, we've got the blue theme, and it matches the dress. That is crazy. It looks like a blue theme. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Okay, well, we're gonna start today with the hair stuffs. The hair stuff. Usually they give you a little bag of hair stuff, and usually there's enough items that it's considered to be just one. You know, all the stuff the hair stuff they send you is like one item. All right, this is great. These almost look like Lily Pulitzer kind of thing, but I don't think they are. Look at this, kind of like under this. Oh no, that's not. It's like blue floral kind of. This one is kind of like a paisley kind of headband looking. That's really cute. Ugh, I'd almost start wearing headbands. Okay, I'm gonna have to try. Let's see. I don't know. Well, my hair right now isn't conducive to it. I have some wild hair now. Not that you didn't know that, but anyway. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. This is all colorful. Zara accessories. I don't see any branding on the other two. They're just, but they look brand new, by the way. And then you've got Zara accessories. This one can, you know, you can make it as thick as you want on your head. It's really cute, and it's got elastic on it. And then this tiny little set of baby clips. Cute. And then, oh, these look nice. Huh. These are cute. Okay. I was trying to figure out if there was a brand name on here before I showed it to you. They are bobby pin type things, or I don't know what you call that. Bobby pin, a barrette kind of. But look at it, like they're really pretty. Huh. I don't see any branding on those either. So anyway, so that is the little bag of hair stuff. Usually I don't get into that until like the third or fourth item, but why not start with the hair stuff? I just, like I always say in the fun box videos, you never know what people are going to send into ThreadUp, thinking ThreadUp's going to sell it. Or do they just have a bag of stuff they're sending to ThreadUp and it happens to accidentally have their hair stuff? I don't know. I don't know the answer. Oh gosh. Oh, these are nice. The next item is a purple pair of what really looks like leather gloves. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna excelled. Oh, these are real leather, and they're lined. Okay, these are real leather gloves. Look at these purple gloves. Oh my gosh, I have really big hands, big knuckles. I know. All right, look at these. I think they fit me in my giant hands. I don't know about giant, but I do have kind of big, long fingers and big hands. Aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh, they're brand new. They still have the tag on them. Excelled. It says, oh, cashmere. The world's softest lining. So it's leather with cashmere lining. Oh my gosh. They're really pretty. I don't know the excelled. I don't know what that means. But yeah, here's the inside of them. And then you can kind of just see they're brand new. But they're gorgeous. Yeah, I like those. Like I think I said in just my last fun box video, I have so many pairs of gloves that I'm very tempted to keep these because they're very nice. But right now, I can't bear to think about it being winter. So, I mean, it's so nice. Minnesota has been 80s and 90s every day for weeks. It's very, very hot here. All right, anyway, leather gloves, with cashmere lining. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. All right. All right, they're throwing in some purple with the blue. I guess it's a purple and blue theme. Here's a pair of glasses. Oh my gosh, they're cute. I don't wear sunglasses. These will be up for sale. So, even though it's 80s and 90s and we just get... By the way, my husband and I just got a boat. I haven't even said that on my channel yet. We've always wanted one. And when you have an aneurysm and you live through it, you kind of make different decisions after that. And we decided we don't know what we're doing without a boat. We want one. We've wanted one for years. We live right on the Mississippi. A huge percentage of this town. People love to boat where I live because we're right on the Mississippi and it's beautiful nature. All right, what do you think? Those are cute. They're really cute glasses. They almost match my lipstick. We'll see. Don't they? They're cute. All right, so sunglasses. Funky, thick frames. Love them. Love them. But I don't wear the sunglasses, so okay. Well, so far, pretty good. Pretty good. All right, next up is Jill and Allie. Never heard of it. What is it? It looks new. Okay, Jill and Allie, and it looks like a cute little... Oh, I think it's an eyeglass holder. I'm gonna go like this so you can kind of see. It's that little tiny beads, seed beads, I think they're called. And then it's got the clips for your glasses. So if you have readers or something, you can put them on there. You can see the clips right there. Really, really nice. Yeah, Jill and Allie. I don't know that name, but I love the fact that it comes in this cute little bag. That's adorable. You could put them in your purse and keep them there. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. This is great. Ah! Oh, I love this. And this one I'm keeping because that's really nice. It's the Lululemon, and the retail tag says $56 on it. It's brand new. Here's why I'm going to keep this. You probably noticed I have a new watch, and the new watch is, I'm just going to be completely honest here. I went off tirzepatide, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't gain any of the weight back that I have lost. And I've been trying to lose weight, and I've lost a few pounds. I've lost significant weight, and I still would like to lose some more. But anyway, this watch is what I got to help me do that, and the watch it tracks incoming and outgoing calories without writing anything down it tracks it. Not live time. The calories doesn't track live time. I'm not a person that's ever going to track calories again or do dieting or things like that, but at least this watch gives me some recognition of what's going on. It also tracks my sleep and how hydrated I am. And this watch is constantly telling. I have realized I've been very chronically dehydrated. I have not been drinking enough water at all. It seems like no matter how much I drink, it's like, oh, now you're good. Well, wait, you're down 2 ounces. You're down 6 ounces. It's amazing. This watch is amazing. If you wanted any information on it, and it's been a couple months since I'm off tirzepatide, and I have not gained weight. So it's because of staying in tune with what I'm doing. So and my behavior. So all right, this is a Lululemon water container. I'm keeping this. I absolutely love this, and I need it because I'm chronically dehydrated. All right, next up is, oh my gosh, I got some like this last time. Actually, I got gloves that were kind of like this last time. They're super cute. Aries. They got weird. I guess kitten paws. It's a little kitty, and then it's got little kitten paws. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Aries is the brand name. Never heard of it. But really, really cute socks. Just standard women's socks. Well, are they? Yeah, standard women's socks with little cat ears. So cute. All right. Nothing earth-shattering. Oh, the next item's kind of good. Oh. The next item is Pura Vida. And I must say, Pura Vida has actually sold well for me in the past, so not disappointed. And of course, it's blue. It's blue. It's really a pretty blue, too. I'm trying to get it unconnected. There we go. There. Isn't that pretty? Brand new. Brand new with the tag still on it. And what does the tag say? $14.95. It's beads. Oh, it's really pretty. And it's adjustable. It's really pretty. So Pura Vida. Yeah, nice. I think that's like an upscale kind of boutique-y kind of store. All right, what else do we have here? I don't know. This is kind of a crazy fun box. What else do we have? What is this? This little packet of belts. There's 2 belts. Oh, size XL. It's Ralph Lauren. Oh, Ralph Lauren, I guess it is. A hot pink belt by Ralph Lauren. It's so cute. It does have a little nick right there, but that is really adorable. And what's this other one? It's a blue, kind of a seafoam blue or Tiffany blue patent leather belt. I don't know what the size is. That is really nice. Yeah, I don't know. It's a skinny belt. Is it real leather? Yeah, actually it is real leather. You can kind of see the texture of the real leather. I don't know. I'll have to measure it and put some measurements up here. Just a couple things left now. What in the world? Oh, it's a corset? It's a corset, I guess. Wow. It's heavy. It's like, it's kind of like that, scuba material, like neoprene. But then it also has this little soft liner in it. So it is a royal blue corset. It's absolutely adorable. It is so adorable. 3XL. All right, so it says 3XL, but this is not. I think that's a Chinese size 3XL, which is probably about a size large, extra large. I don't know. I'll measure it. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's really, let me show it to you up close. Corsets-uk.com. Anyway, this is about a size, I think it's about a size large, extra large. Okay. All right. So the corset is gorgeous, and it's stretchy, but it's not super stretchy. It's a little bit stiff. And the last item we got is Sugar Fix by Bobble Bar. Woo! Packed and prepped. Got it in the bag. Earrings. Back to school earrings. Those will definitely be for sale. My son's not in school, isn't it? My son's not in school anymore. Packed and prepped. Got it in the bag. I really don't know what that means. Let's see. It's a backpack, I think. I think it's a backpack. Look up close and see here. A backpack with things in it. So I guess back to school earrings. Nickel free. So that's good. Alright, it's not the best box I got, but I really do like it. And isn't it crazy that what Pat got me actually matches all the items in that box? I can't believe it. So we got the corset. We got the Lululemon. The 2 belts. Eyeglasses holder. The kitty socks. Pura Vida bracelet. Sunglasses that match my lipstick. Back to school earrings or backpack. Purple leather gloves. And I hope I didn't miss anything, and then the bag of hair stuff. So yeah, you know what? It was a fun box, I must say. It lived up to its name. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of it. If you would like to buy anything from this box, it's going to be $6 shipping for one item, or if you want more than one, it's going to be $8 for as many as you like. And send an email to mystuffstyle@gmail.com, and I will send you a PayPal invoice. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.